Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Due to this lockdown, we'll miss a lot of classes. That is why I'm making this video to teach you some lessons of mathematics. Here we start. Class 10 mathematics. Before lockdown, in the class we were studying chapter 12, areas related to circles. Exercise 12.3 up to question number 8 we have done in the class. So now I am going to explain exercise 12.3 question number 9. Question says that in the figure 12.28, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with the center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 cm, find the area of the shaded region. And the figure it is given there in the question. Let's see the question once more. In the figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle, that is this one. AB and CD are two diameters of a circle perpendicular to each other. These two diameters are perpendicular to each other. So angle BOC is equal to, it will come 90 degree. Angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. Because in the question it is given there, AB and CD are perpendicular to each other. Angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. Angle COA is equal to 90 degree. Angle DOA is equal to 90. And angle DOB is equal to 90 degree will come. And OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. This one is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 cm, OA is equal to 7 cm. OA is equal to 7 cm. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. It is given there, shaded region inside this circle. And here two segments are there, that also shaded there. We want to find out the area of that shaded region. So here OA is equal to 7 cm. Therefore OC is equal to 7 cm will come, because O is the center of the circle and the AB and the CD are the diameters of the circle. So OC is equal to 7 cm, OB is equal to 7 cm, and OD is also 7 cm. So these all are the radius of this large circle, so it will come 7 cm. We want to find out the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. So first we are going to find out the area of this minor segment. The two shaded regions are called the minor segment. Already we have studied in the class. That is why I am not explaining about the minor segment. These two shaded regions are called the minor segment, and both minor segments are equal only, because these AB and CD are perpendicular to each other, and this one is the 1/4 part of the circle, and this one also 1/4 part of the circle. So these two areas it will be same only. So first we are going to find out the area of the minor segment. Before that we have to write the given values from the question. So first we will write. It is given there OA is equal to 7 cm. So we can write radius of the large circle. Radius of the large circle. Radius of the large circle, that we can denote it by the capital letter R. R is equal to 7 cm. And it is given there in the question OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. OD is the diameter of the smaller circle, and OD is the radius of this larger circle. OD is the radius of the larger circle. At the same time in the question it is given there OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. So we can write diameter of the smaller circle is equal to diameter of the smaller circle is equal to OD, that is 7 cm will come. Here OA is equal to 7 cm, so OD also 7 cm. So diameter of the smaller circle is equal to, it will come 7 cm. Therefore we can write radius of the smaller circle. Radius of the smaller circle, we can denote it by the small letter R. R is equal to We know that radius is the half of the diameter. Radius is half of the diameter. So diameter of the smaller circle is 7 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the smaller circle is equal to, it will come 7 by 2 centimeter. 7 by 2 centimeter. Now next one, angle BOC is equal to 90 degree we can write, because write the reason, because AB perpendicular to CD, it is given there in the question. AB and CD are two diameters of the circle perpendicular to each other. So angle BOC is equal to, we can write 90 degree, because the reason is AB perpendicular to CD. AB and CD are perpendicular to each other. Then now we can find out the area of the minor segment. Therefore, area of minor segment is equal to area of one minor segment. We can, two minor segments are there, and that two minor segments area we have to find out. These two minor segments area we have to find out. Then first we will find out the area of one minor segment. Area of one minor segment is equal to, area of one minor segment is equal to, area of a minor segment is equal to, formula we have studied in the class, that is pi theta divided by 360, pi theta divided by 360 minus sin theta divided by 2 into r square, pi theta divided by 360 minus sin theta divided by 2 into r square. Now we have to substitute values here. Values here, then we will get the area of one minor segment, that is equal to pi theta. Pi is equal to what is value? Pi is equal to 22 divided by 7 into a central angle theta. This one we know that it is the minor segment, and this chord makes this minor segment here, and this chord subtending an angle at the center of the circle, that is the central angle theta, that is here 90 degree. So in place of theta we can write as 90 degree divided by 360 minus sin theta, that is sin theta is equal to 90 degrees. So sin 90 degree divided by 2 into r square, that is the radius of the large circle. Radius of the large circle, that is capital letter R. So here we have to write capital letter R, that is r square. Capital letter R is equal to, here it is 7 centimeter, so we can write as into 7 centimeter square. 7 centimeter square, that is 7 centimeter is multiplying 2 times, that is 7 into 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter, that is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 90 divided by 360. 90 divided by 360 we can cancel that, 0 0 we can cancel, 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. 22 divided by 7 into 1, it will come 22 divided by 7 divided by denominator 4 is there, minus sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree is equal to, we have studied in the trigonometry already, I have explained that sin 90 degree is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 7 sevens are 49 centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter, that is equal to centimeter square. 49 centimeter square. And now we have to solve this one. Okay, then that is 22 divided by 7 divided by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 49 centimeter square. 22 divided by 7 divided by 4, that is equal to 22 divided by 7 divided by 4, that is here two rational numbers we are dividing, that is 22 divided by 7 is in the numerator and 4 is in the denominator. So while dividing two rational numbers, we have to multiply the reciprocal of the denominator, that is 22 divided by 7 into reciprocal of the denominator 4, that is it will come 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 7 sevens are 49 centimeter square into 49 centimeter square. Then that is equal to 22 divided by 4, we can cancel that one, 22, we can divide it by 2, 11 2s are 22, 2 2s are 4, 11 into 1, that is 11 divided by 7 2s are 14 minus 1 by 2 into 49 centimeter square, 49 centimeter square, that is equal to, now 11 by 14 minus 1 by 2, subtracting two rational numbers, we have to take the LCM, that is 14 2 LCM, it will come 14, then numerator 11 divided by 14 into 14 minus second rational number into LCM, that is 1 by 2 into 14 into 49 centimeter square. 14 divided by 14 we can cancel, that is equal to 11 minus 14 divided by 2, 7 2s are 14, 1 into 7, 7 divided by 14 into 49 centimeter square, that is equal to 11 minus 7, that is 4 divided by 14 into 49 centimeter square. 49 divided by 14, both we can divide it by 7. 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, 4 divided by 2, that is 2, 2 7s are 14 centimeter square. That is the area of one minor segment. Area of one minor segment is equal to 14 centimeter square. Therefore, we have to write area of two minor segments is equal to area of two minor segments is equal to 2 into 14 centimeter square, that is equal to 2 into 14, that is 28 centimeter square. That is the area of these two minor segments. Area of one minor segment is equal to, we got 14 centimeter square, and the area of two minor segments, 14 into 14, that is 2 into 14, that is equal to 28 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area of this smaller circle, that also shaded region. Area of this smaller circle. Area of smaller circle is equal to, area of a circle is equal to, formula we have studied that, pi r square. So we will find out the area of the smaller circle here. Area of smaller circle is equal to pi r square. After that we have to add both the areas, then we will get the area of the shaded region here. So next we are going to find out the area of a smaller circle. Area of smaller circle is equal to, area of smaller circle is equal to pi r square, that is equal to, pi is equal to 22 divided by 7 into radius of the smaller circle, already we have written there, that is area diameter of this smaller circle is equal to OD, that is 7 centimeter. So its radius it will come 7 by 2 centimeter. So r square means it will come 7 by 2 centimeter into 7 by 2 centimeter. 7 7 we can cancel, 22 divided by 2, that is 11. 11 into 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, that is 77 divided by 2, centimeter into centimeter it will come centimeter square, that is equal to 77 divided by 2, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1 17, 8 2s are 16, remainder 1 0.0, 2 5s are 10, that is 38.5 centimeter square. That is the area of the smaller circle. Therefore we can write area of the shaded region is equal to, area of the shaded region is equal to, area of the shaded region is equal to area of two minor segments plus area of the smaller circle. Area of two minor segments is equal to 28 centimeter square plus area of the smaller circle is equal to, we got here 38.5 centimeter square, that is equal to 38.5 centimeter square plus 28 centimeter square, that we can write 28.0. 5 plus 0, that is 5, 8 plus 8, 16, 6, remainder 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6, that is equal to 66.5 centimeter square. That is the area of the shaded region. So here you see, here the question is the area, find the area of the shaded region. Here two minor segments it is given there. I told that it is area is same only. So first we have find, and area of the circle also we have to find out, smaller circle. Both we will add together, then we will get the area of the shaded region. So here first we are going to find out the area of one minor segment. Area of one minor segment is equal to pi theta divided by 360 minus sin theta divided by 2 into r square. Pi 22 divided by 7 into central angle theta, it will come 90 degree because diameters are perpendicular to each other. So it will come 90 degree divided by 360 minus sin theta. Theta is equal to 90 degree divided by 2 into r square, that is the radius of the large circle. Then this one is the radius of the large circle, that is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter. Then 90 divided by 360 we can cancel, that is 0 0 cancel. 9 divided by 36, that is 4. 22 by 7 divided by 4 minus sin 90 value we have studied already in trigonometry, that is 1 divided by 2 into 7 7s are 49 centimeter into centimeter square. 22 by 7 divided by 4, that is numerator into reciprocal of the denominator, that is 22 by 7 into 1 by 4, reciprocal of the denominator, reciprocal of 4, that is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 49 centimeter square. 22 divided by 4 we can cancel, that is 11 divided by 2. 11 ones are 11 divided by 7 2s are 14 minus 1 by 2 into 49 centimeter square. Now 11 by 14 minus 1 by 2, that is subtracting two rational numbers, we have to take the LCM, that is 14 LCM numerator. 11 by 14 into 14 minus 1 by 2 into 14. 14 we can cancel. 11 minus 14 by 2, that is 7. 7 ones are 7 divided by 14 into 49 centimeter square. 11 minus 7, that is 4 divided by 14 into 49 centimeter square. Now 49 divided by 14 we can cancel. 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 2 7s are 14 centimeter square. That is the area of one minor segment, that is equal to 14 centimeter square. Therefore, area of two minor segments is equal to 2 into 14 centimeter square, that is equal to 28 centimeter square. That is the area of these two minor segments. Now we will find out the area of the smaller circle. Area of smaller circle is equal to pi r square, pi 22 divided by 7 into radius of the smaller circle. Diameter of the smaller circle is 7 centimeter. So radius of the smaller circle it will come 7 by 2 centimeter into 7 by 2 centimeter. 22 by 2, that is 11. 7 divided by 7 we can cancel. 11 7s are 77 divided by 2 centimeter into centimeter square. 77 divided by 2 it will come 38.5 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of the shaded region, we want to find out the area of the shaded region, that whole shaded region area we have to find out. So area of the shaded region is equal to, it will come area of these two minor segments plus area of the circle, that is area of two minor segments is equal to, we got answer here, 28 centimeter square plus area of this circle is equal to 38.5 centimeter square. So 28 centimeter square plus 38.5 centimeter square is equal to, it will come 66.5 centimeter square. That is the answer. So my dear children, please write down these notes and practice it at home. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box. And or if you have any more doubts, then you can contact me. Thank you so much.